Vinyl is genuinely back in a big way, and there's nothing like the warm, rich sound of a record spinning on a real turntable. In 2026, whether you want a plug-and-play player, a Bluetooth setup, or a true DJ deck for scratching, there's a perfect turntable out there. I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. New to Tech B. We cover the tech and audio that actually matter. Honest reviews, real comparisons, no sponsored fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. We drop fresh content every single week and you'll want to be here for the next one. The One by One Bluetooth Turntable is the genuinely convenient modern pick that combines classic vinyl playback with wireless flexibility. The standout is the Bluetooth connectivity, which lets you stream your vinyl wirelessly to Bluetooth speakers or headphones, genuinely eliminating cable clutter and letting you place your setup anywhere, a real modern convenience. Beyond wireless, it delivers genuine vinyl playback with a quality belt drive system and cartridge for warm, rich analog sound. The built-in speakers let you play right out of the box with no extra gear. And the multiple connectivity options, including Bluetooth out, RCA, and headphone, offer genuine flexibility for any setup. The 2 and 3-speed support plays 33, 45, and often 78 RPM records, and the auto-stop function protects your records. The attractive compact design suits any room. The genuinely accessible price makes wireless vinyl attainable. For anyone who wants classic vinyl with modern Bluetooth convenience and built-in speakers in one affordable package, the One by One Bluetooth Turntable is the most convenient, most wireless-friendly pick on this entire list. The One by One Bluetooth Turntable combines classic vinyl with modern wireless convenience and built-in speakers. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Vinyl warmth, wireless freedom. The One by One Belt Drive Turntable is the genuine audiophile-leaning value pick, focused on delivering the purest, warmest analog sound quality at an accessible price. The standout is the belt drive design, which genuinely isolates the motor's vibrations from the platter, resulting in cleaner, warmer, lower noise sound that audiophiles genuinely prefer for critical listening, a real sound quality advantage over cheaper direct drive players. The quality cartridge and tone arm deliver genuine detail and warmth from your records, and the sound is tuned for faithful, natural vinyl playback rather than gimmicks. The solid build and stable platter reduce unwanted resonance for cleaner audio, and the RCA outputs connect to your existing speakers or amplifier for a proper hi-fi setup. The 2-speed support plays 33 and 45 RPM records, and the classic understated design suits any listening room. The genuinely accessible price makes quality, belt drive sound attainable. For anyone who wants the purest, warmest analog sound quality from a belt drive turntable at an accessible price, the One by One belt drive is the most sound-focused, most audiophile value pick on this entire list. The One by One belt drive delivers the purest, warmest analog sound at a genuinely accessible price. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Pure vinyl warmth, honest price. The Numark PT-01 Scratch is the genuine portable DJ turntable, built specifically for scratching and creative DJ performance anywhere. The standout is that it's a true DJ deck designed for scratching, featuring a genuine adjustable scratch switch and the durability to handle real hands-on DJ technique, unlike consumer record players that scratching would damage. The portable battery-powered design is genuinely unique, letting you take it anywhere for portableless DJ sets, practice or performance, without a power outlet, a real advantage for mobile DJs. The built-in speaker lets you practice anywhere, and the quality components handle genuine scratching and manipulation. The connectivity outputs to mixers, speakers, and recording gear for genuine DJ integration, and it plays standard 33, 45, and 78 RPM records. The rugged, portable build survives the road. Numark's reputation for quality DJ gear backs the credibility. For DJs and portablists who want a genuine, portable, scratch-capable DJ turntable they can take anywhere, the Numark PT-01 Scratch is the most DJ-focused, most portable scratch pick on this entire list. The Numark PT-01 Scratch is a genuine portable DJ deck built for scratching anywhere, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Real scratching, genuinely portable. The Audio-Technica AT-LP140XP-BK is the genuine professional direct drive DJ turntable that serious DJs and audiophiles genuinely trust for performance and quality. Audio-Technica is a legendary name in turntables, and the AT-LP140XP delivers with a genuine high-torque, direct drive motor that gets the platter up to speed instantly and holds rock-steady pitch, essential for genuine DJ mixing, beat matching, and scratching. The professional-grade build is genuinely robust and gig-ready, built to withstand the demands of club and mobile DJ use. The adjustable pitch control, selectable start-stop speed, and quality components give DJs genuine performance control, and the included cartridge delivers strong, clear sound. The convertible tone arm and professional connectivity integrate into any DJ or hi-fi setup. The classic professional design looks the part in any booth. Audio-Technica's reputation for the best turntables backs the quality. For serious DJs and audiophiles who want a genuine professional direct drive turntable for mixing, scratching, and performance, the Audio-Technica AT-LP140XP is the most professional, most performance-grade pick on this entire list. The Audio-Technica AT-LP140XP delivers genuine professional direct drive performance for serious DJs, and the price in the description reflects that quality. Check the link below and grab it today. Professional DJ performance trusted. Closing out the list with the Angel's Horn Turntable, the genuinely stylish, design-forward pick that combines warm vinyl sound with a beautifully premium aesthetic for the home. The standout is the genuinely gorgeous design, with a premium wood and glass or refined finish that looks like a genuine piece of furniture and makes a real statement in any living room. A design-forward choice for style-conscious listeners. Beyond the looks, it delivers genuine quality vinyl playback with a belt drive system and quality cartridge for warm, detailed analog sound. The often included Bluetooth and built-in options add genuine convenience, letting you stream or connect to speakers easily, and the RCA outputs connect to a proper hi-fi setup. The 2-speed support plays 33 and 45 RPM records, and the auto-stop protects your records. The premium build quality feels genuinely elevated. For anyone who wants a genuinely beautiful, design-forward turntable with warm vinyl sound and modern convenience for the home, the Angel's Horn is the most stylish, most design-forward pick on this entire list. The Angel's Horn Turntable combines warm vinyl sound with a genuinely beautiful design for the home, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Beautiful design, warm vinyl sound. Almost done, and if this breakdown just helped you find the right turntable for your setup, do us one favor and hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and keeps us making honest content like this every week. We appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because audio gear deals move fast. If this helped you find the right turntables, smash that like button and subscribe to TechB for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.